Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create image with clear backgrounds in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva app in your system. This is the Canva PC versions. Don't forget to sign in with your account. Click apps, then click AI powered. Here you can scroll down, then try to find backgroundless. Your text idea to transparent visual fast. You can create stunning images with transparent backgrounds directly from your description. Easily turn concepts into clear visuals of many styles. No more removing background, no editing hassles. Click use in your design. And here we go. You can start with detailed description. You can try an example for practice. Flat factory logo or deer head, minimal graphic. Photo of woman with blonde hair, upper body, wearing pullover. This is more details. So let's try with the more details one. So please wait, this can take a few moments. So this is the result. You can add to design. This is the image with backgroundless. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And so click this button below. See you in the next video.